Unveiling the World of Synthetic Eyelashes, a guide. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's become a staple in the beauty world: synthetic eyelashes. Whether you're a beauty enthusiast or just curious about this trend, you're in the right place. We'll explore what synthetic eyelashes are, how they differ from their natural counterparts, and why they've gained such popularity. Let's unravel the mystery together. Synthetic eyelashes are artificial lashes made from man-made fibers, designed to enhance the volume, length, and overall appearance of your natural eyelashes. Unlike natural eyelashes, which are made from real hair, synthetic ones are crafted from materials like plastic, silk, or synthetic mink. They come in various styles, lengths, and thicknesses, allowing for a customizable look that can range from subtly enhancing to dramatically bold. Choosing synthetic eyelashes comes with a host of benefits. Firstly, they are often more affordable than their natural counterparts, making them accessible to a wider audience. Additionally, synthetic lashes are durable and can hold their curl and shape longer, ensuring your look stays flawless throughout the day. They're also hypoallergenic, which is great news for those with sensitive eyes or allergies to natural hair. Moreover, the versatility in styles means there's a perfect pair of synthetic lashes for every occasion and eye shape. Applying synthetic eyelashes might seem daunting, but with a little practice, it becomes a quick and easy part of your beauty routine. You'll need a good quality lash glue, a pair of tweezers, and a bit of patience. After measuring and trimming the lashes to fit your eye shape, apply a thin line of glue to the lash band, wait a few seconds for it to become tacky, and then gently place them as close to your natural lash line as possible. Caring for your synthetic lashes extends their lifespan. After use, gently clean them with a mild cleanser to remove any glue or makeup, and store them in their case to keep their shape. Remember, with proper care, your synthetic lashes can be reused multiple times. Synthetic eyelashes are a wonderful way to enhance your natural beauty and add that extra pop to your look. They're affordable, versatile, and, with a bit of care, can be a durable addition to your beauty arsenal. Whether you're preparing for a special occasion or just want to feel extra fabulous in your daily life, synthetic eyelashes are definitely worth exploring. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has illuminated the beautiful world of synthetic eyelashes for you. Stay beautiful, and see you in the next video.